New York, the city where dreams are made. Whether it's design, tech, finance, or business, this city has a university for you. But how do you pick the right one? Let me take you through the top 10 universities in New York, their admission criteria, fees, and what makes them worth it. Let's dive in. First, the Columbia University. Located in the heart of New York City, this university is renowned for its rigorous academic program and its vibrant campus life. Columbia is an Ivy League powerhouse known for MBA, finance, and computer science, and is also popular for data science and journalism. The tuition fees for this university ranges from $60,000 to $75,000 annually, but with starting salaries of $85,000 to $150,000 annually, the ROI is excellent. Here are the admission requirements that you can expect. Pause and take a screenshot before you forget. Second, we have the New York University. NYU, located in the heart of Manhattan, is popular for students pursuing business, arts, or computer science. The Tisch School of Arts and Stern School of Business are globally renowned. The annual fees for this university hovers around $55,000 to $70,000, but NYU grads earn starting salaries of $100,000 to $130,000 annually. Here are the admission requirements that you can expect. You know what. Third, Cornell Tech. Situated on Roosevelt Island, Cornell Tech is a hub for innovation in AI, fintech, and data science. It's particularly good for students who are interested in cutting-edge technology. The tuition for Cornell averages $60,000, but with starting salaries of $120,000 to $160,000 at companies like Google and Amazon, it's totally worth it. Here are the admission requirements you can expect for Cornell. Fourth, we have the University of Rochester. Let's head to Rochester. The university is a research lover's paradise offering stellar programs in engineering, music, and medicine. The tuition here is around $60,000. Now you must be thinking, but I'm spending so much money. What will be my ROI? Let me tell you, medical graduates have starting salaries of $150,000 a year, whilst engineering grads bag $90,000 plus right after graduation. But what's unique? Flexibility. You design your curriculum. No core requirements holding you back. Here are the admission requirements that you can expect. Fifth, we have Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. If tech and innovation excite you, then RPI in Troy is the place to be. Specializing in AI, robotics, and engineering, it is a hub for cutting-edge research. The tuition here is around $58,000 a year. And if we talk about the ROI, then tech grads here make $110,000 plus, with companies like Tesla and IBM being top recruiters. Here are the admission requirements you can expect. Next, Syracuse University. Known for its top programs in journalism, public administration, and law, Syracuse has a legacy of producing leaders across industries. With over 300 student organizations, Syracuse ensures a rich academic and social life. Tuition fees is around $58,000 a year. In terms of ROI, media grads earn $80,000 plus, while law grads secure top roles in NYC law firms. Here are the admission requirements. Number 7, we have Fordham University. Fordham, located in the Bronx, is ideal for those pursuing finance, law, or psychology. It's a gateway to NYC's financial district. Fordham combines academic rigor with a deep commitment to ethics and leadership. The tuition is around $55,000 a year, and if we talk about ROI, finance grads start at $95,000 plus, and law grads thrive in Wall Street's legal teams. Here are the admission requirements. Next up is Stony Brook University. Stony Brook is a public university with a global reputation for biomedical engineering and environmental science. It is an affordable choice with high academic standards. The tuition is around $25,000 to $28,000 a year. The ROI? Graduates here earn $85,000 plus as starting salaries, especially in STEM fields. These are the admission requirements. At number 9, we have Binghamton University. Binghamton is a favorite for budget-conscious students wishing to pursue business, engineering, or nursing. Known for its strong academic culture, it balances affordability with quality. Its tight-knit community and strong alumni network add immense value. The tuition is $24,000 to $27,000 a year, and grads often have starting salaries of $80,000 plus in business and tech roles. Here are the admission requirements. Last but not the least is Hofstra University. Hofstra, located in Long Island, is known for its health science, communication, and business programs. Hofstra's small class sizes and proximity to NYC give students a big edge in networking and internships. The tuition is around $50,000 a year, but business grads start at $90,000 a year, while students of health sciences make $85,000 plus. Here are the admission requirements. There you go. These were the top 10 universities in New York. From Ivy Leagues to budget-friendly options, New York's universities cater to every dream and budget. With exceptional ROI, world-class faculty, and access to internships and industry leaders, New York is the ultimate destination for Indian students. Wait, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do it right now to not miss out on regular updates on all things study abroad. Ready to take the leap? Comment New York below and we'll take you to your dream university.